Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. This is not a normal upload for me. As you can tell by the title, it is an unboxing video, and more so than anything, the reason why I wanted to record it is to look back and get my own personal reaction and remember this. I'm just gonna get into it instead of harboring on the fact that it is a very expensive purse and a very expensive wallet, and I have no shame whatsoever in this purchase. I am very happy with it. The reason why it was purchased online versus me going into the store and doing like the full-on experience where they'll give you champagne and you can kind of test it out is, I know it seems weird, but like I kind of like had anxiety about doing that. Hey Benji, say hi. You gonna join me for my unboxing? Yeah. Anyway, it's like a whole thing whenever you go to the store and actually do it, and I probably will next time and kind of like dress up and enjoy it and like go all out when I do buy something else like this. But just for the first time, I was like, let me just go online and pick the exact one I wanted, and I figured I'd open it on camera. Normally how I open packages, I don't know if you guys watch Casey Neistat. This is his hoodie that I actually got when I was in New York for YouTube Black. He like rips into the box and throws packaging and like all the peanuts and everything everywhere. That's normally how I open packages, but because this is like nice and I don't know exactly how they wrapped it, I'm trying to do it the nice way. So oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna stick that to the side. So it came covered in some black paper, and then this is the box it came in. Let's just take a moment. I wish you guys could like see how nice the packaging was, but this is it. All black. Love it. So I'll open the wallet first. It's weird too because like I already know exactly how it looks, but I'm still like excited to open it. God, I love this. Okay. So when you open it, that's what it looks like. And it's got a little bag that it comes inside of, and then the little I don't know what these are called. I just call them packing peanuts, but these aren't packing peanuts. They have an official name, I don't know. And then I'm not sure what this is, but this was in there as well. So this is the wallet that I got, and this is the bag that it comes in. And when you pull it out, it's beautiful. I went back and forth between the shiny one versus the smooth leather, but it's so pretty. And then that's what the inside looks like for all of my credit cards. And this is what the inside will remain like for a while because I'm broke after buying this bad boy. But yeah, this is the wallet. And I'll show you guys the bag. Now this is, you guys, honestly. Also, I have a wish list on Yves Saint Laurent on the website, and the things that have been sitting in my wish list on this website have been there. Well, okay, so I take this back. I recently made the wish list, but the items that are on that wish list, most of them, 2 of them are fairly new. I have wanted for a very long time, but obviously luxury items are expensive. It's not something that you can just purchase all the time, so they'll be in my wish list for a while, but eventually I hope to have all of them. So whenever you open it, it has 2 little envelopes on the front. This one, okay, it's from Saint Laurent, or you can do like a little gift note to yourself, and I wrote, "Always stay gracious, best revenge is your paper." Beyonce said that. So that's the little quote that I have. They actually left off the E. I guess I might have typed it up wrong on the site, but I'm gonna keep that. And then it also came with this envelope, which I'm assuming might be like the receipt. or maybe how you take care of it. Yeah, so just a little note from them, and then just the shipping address. Oh, this paper is nice. It's like really good quality. So yeah, this is just about like returning it if for some reason you need to do that. And then I don't even know what to do. So it has a little sticker, if you can see that. This probably is not the best unboxing as far as like, ooh, making sure everything's in focus and centered and everything, but I'm kind of like nervous to open this. I don't want to mess up the packaging. What is it, Benji? What's wrong? You can't get by? You can't get by the box? You want to help open it with me? This is an unexpected guest. Yes, say hi to everyone. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi. You needed to help Mom with the unboxing? Thank you. Look how nice the packaging is. You like that? Okay, I'm trying to open it up and not rip the paper, but I don't think I'll be able to. So I'll just take it out. Okay. You getting in the shot? Yeah. This is it. And it comes in its own little bag, which I love that. I know it's like a small thing, but whenever you buy nicer shoes or whenever you buy nicer items, I love the fact that they come in their own little protective bags. Not only do I use these bags for keeping and storing the item, but I will use these as shoe bags. So like the last ones that I had were the Rihanna slides, and I literally to this day carry my onboard shoes. I love it so much. Oh my god, it feels so smooth. Look at her. Oh, she's perfect, you guys. I love it so much. And like, oh, like I can't even get it out. The quality is so good. It's the perfect size. Okay, this is my first Yves Saint Laurent bag, a YSL bag. Look how pretty it is. So it's the perfect little size for me to throw my vlog camera in, throw my phone in, throw my wallet in, and go. And so it had paper inside, and it's like very sturdy. That's the inside. And it also has, I'm assuming this is some kind of, let's just open it and see. Okay. Envelope. Oh, it's like instructions. Yeah. For upkeep and everything. Oh wait. Yeah. So I don't think I've actually said the name of the bag. This is the YSL Vicky camera bag. They do have it in other colors, but that is what she looks like. And even though the name of the bag is Vicky, I feel like I'm going to rename the bag. I don't know if that's weird. And it's got a little front panel section as well on it. I don't think it's weird, but because this is such a monumental thing for me personally, I am going to rename the bag something else. I'll let you guys know what I come up with. It will probably be Shantae or Ashley, just because that's my name, so we'll see. This is what it looks like on. But here, I'll stand up. Yes, and it comes to, Benji, you're kind of in my way. If I'm standing up, that's where it comes to on my body. But yeah, you guys, this is my first bag and wallet combination. So excited. That's it. So I do actually plan on upgrading as well as switching up my wardrobe a little bit. So for everything that I plan on adding starting this summer into my wardrobe, I'm going to donate everything that I don't wear or don't use or doesn't fit, whatever, anymore to charity. So yeah, I feel like that'll be a good balance as far as give and take, because You can't see it in the background and I'm not going to show it, but whenever I moved all my stuff back here, I have a pile of clothes that are a mile high that I need to go through. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got. I don't really know how you normally end these videos since it is my first one. You guys can leave any feedback down below. I would be interested to know kind of where you guys shop, because like I said, I do want to start purchasing more items and like clothing that might be out of my comfort zone that I wouldn't normally wear, and kind of try that out starting this summer. So yeah, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, and I will link everything down in the description box, including all of the bag details, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh look, you wanted to be in the video too? Yeah. You want it to be in the video too? Oh, I know it. Benjamin got to be in it. Now you want to? Okay, you can do the outro. Say, bye everybody. Thank you guys for joining. No, Sebastian, you have to tell them. Look. Say, make sure you subscribe to Mom's channel. Make sure you like. Yes. Push the button with this paw. Put on the bell notification. You're going to learn how to say all of these things if you want to be on the videos. Bye guys.